Your home is typically your largest investment, so why not spend some time, money, and effort to get it ready for sale? We like to say we turn house hunters into home buyers. I'm Karen Otto. I am the owner and Chief Staging Officer of Homestar Staging, a real estate staging company in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Homestar Staging was started in 2006. We do it all as far as staging goes. It's at its core a marketing tool, and homes really are the last product to be marketed. So when you think about your largest investment, oftentimes we don't think about packaging it like we would do another product. I often tell my clients, think of a large brand and how much money they spend on marketing and packaging a $1 can of soda to sell to you. Educating our clients is primary. In the beginning in 2006, nobody really understood what staging was. So we had to educate the consumer, and the consumer is a realtor, they're investors, they're home builders, home sellers of course, and understanding the importance of why staging needs to be done. At Homestar Staging, we don't just stick furniture in a home. We take time to understand the home, its particular features, and the challenges that the home may have. Especially when the home is vacant. We like to develop a plan and select furniture and accessories for that particular home, and that's often where CORT comes in.
Karen and I have been doing business together for over 10 years now. Karen, being a stager, works out in the field, and at one time I was an outside representative working side by side with her on projects, and our relationship just developed over the time.
CORT has actually taken the time to get to know our business and the intricacies of a staging company. While we do own our own furniture and decor, CORT allows us to scale up or scale down as needed. We look to CORT to fill the gap and fill the needs of our clients in a timely manner, so they help us be more efficient and more effective in our daily job.
Karen coming into the showroom, or any stager visiting our showroom, it adds a certain level of legitimacy to what they can offer to their client. They can show them the product that we carry, the quality and the condition of the items. Also, they're welcome to come in and use the showroom for training purposes.
And CORT offers a solution not only for stagers in business as long as we've been, but for stagers that are just starting out. And it's really a match that will help you grow your business.